Sometimes the quietest places speak the loudest. When you listen closely enough. Can you hear it? The earth is breathing beneath us. You're not afraid of me, are you? Maybe the forest has something to show me. Every tree remembers a story long forgotten. And I'm just beginning to listen. The wind carries the secrets of the earth. We just need to listen. Some moments feel like memories before they even end. I think the world sings to those who slow down enough to hear it. Even when we leave, the wind remembers our names. It carries them through every breeze. So we're never really gone. And somewhere beyond the horizon, another story begins.